Hello, welcome to Maths Aspect. It's still your maths tutor. Remember, we give you details to find mathematics very interesting and attractive. Our tutorials are one of the best. Just stay with us. Let's enjoy this mathematics together. Remember, we are in a new year. Like I said, new year should come with great things. We are in a new year. Good. Let's look at this. Okay, this is more or less like indices. More or less like indices. So we have 4 to the exponent x plus 2 to be equal to 3, 2 to the exponent x. If you know you are able to solve this, you know the answer, just put the answer in the comment section. Let's move. Good. Now, when you have something like this, what comes into your mind first? Don't tell me you want to multiply this and this. It is wrong. Don't try it. Don't have the idea of multiplying this and this. It's wrong. Okay? It is wrong. So what we do is that we have 4 to the exponent x here, 2 to the exponent x. So we can do something about this 4 to the exponent x for us to get this. So how do we do it? So this can also be written as 2 to the exponent 2 or multiply plus 2 to be equal to 3 multiplying 2 to the exponent x. Now, remember we said we need to get this same term 2 to the exponent x here. And this, you realize that this 2 is multiplying this x. So we can decide to interchange these 2 and this x. We are correct. So we have 2 to the exponent x or multiplying 2 plus 2 to be equal to 3 multiplying 2 to the exponent 2. Sorry, 2 to the exponent x. Now what do we do next? What do we do next? Look at something here. Now, the 2 to the exponent x, let's replace it by a variable and work with a variable. Okay, so let's 2 to the exponent x, is 2 to the exponent x be equal to m. Okay, so here we'll be having m square. Remember, 2 to the exponent x, you are replacing it by m plus 2 to be equal to 3 multiplying m. Okay, this shouldn't confuse you. Wherever we see 2 to the exponent x, we are replacing it by what? M. Good. Now, let's expand. We have m squared plus 2 to be equal to 3m. Very simple. What we have here can be written in a quadratic form. Okay, so we have m squared minus 3m plus 2 to be equal to 0. Of course, we know that when this crosses the equal to sign, it becomes what? Negative. Let me continue at the top there, since our board is not enough at the down here. Good. So we group this and then we group this as well. Of course, factorization, we pick m out. Then we have m minus 2. Then this we pick negative 1 out. M minus 2 to be equal to 0. Okay, so we group those outside the brackets. And those in a bracket, we pick 1. Okay, when we are done with that, now what we do is that since we are equating the whole thing to 0, we have m minus 1 to be equal to 0. So we are finding m. How do we find m? We said m is equal to what? 1. Equally, we are equating m minus 2 to be equal to 0. Finding m, we said m is what? Equal to 2. Now we are not done. Remember that we said let 2 to the exponent x be m. We were not giving m in the question. So it means that we are now coming to what? Introduce 2 to the exponent x in place of m here again. So wherever we see m, we are going to replace it by what? 2 to the exponent what? X. So we have 2 to the exponent x is equal to 1 in place of m. And we have, now let's look at something. This one here can equally be written as what? 2 to the exponent 0. Any number to the exponent 0 is 1. Okay, in our previous videos we have proved what? That. So we said 2 to the exponent x is equal to 2 to the exponent 0, which is going to mean that since the bases are the same, we only need to consider the exponents. This. So x is equal to what? 0. The same thing will happen here. So we have 2 to the exponent x is equal to what? 2. So this come to replace what? The m. And let's look at it. We say any number to the exponent, any whole number is what? To the exponent what? 1. Any whole number is to the exponent what? 1. So we have here to be 2 to the exponent 1. So we have 2 to the exponent x is equal to 2 to the exponent 1. Since the bases are the same, we only need to what? Compare the exponents, which we are getting what? X to be equal to 1. Now realize that when you pick x to be equal to 0 or x to be equal to 1 into our equation back, whatever you get at the left hand side will be the same thing you'll be getting at the right hand side. I'm not saying that for when you pick 0 and you put it here, if you get 3, you pick 1 and put it there, you get 3. No. Whatever figure you get at the left hand side, the same figure you'll be getting at the right hand side. That is why they said equal to. What is here is equal to what is here. Take note of that. So these are answers. X to be equal to 0, x to be equal to what? 1. Thank you very much. Just don't forget to like, comment, and share. We are on all social media platforms: Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. Okay, so just follow us there so that anytime we post, anytime we make content, you will get access to it and learn something from it. Thank you. We are back with full energy. Our next update is just in the pipeline. It's your man's expect again.